I will show you how to give a cinematic animated title on your text. Let's start without delay. Go to the title to add text. Click on the title inside the Include folder. Click on the plus icon above the default title. The text has been added to the timeline. Right-click on the text. Click on Duration. The length of the text will be 10 seconds. Right-click on the text. Click on Show Properties. Enter any name in the title. Select the font of your choice. Click on the Advanced button. Go to the Preset tab. You will see many text styles. From here, double-click on Text Style 2. Double-click on Text Style 8. Then go to the Customize tab. Go to the text border at the bottom. Increase text border size to 10. Then go to the Animation tab. You will find many animation style here. Double-click on Cinema Style. You can increase the length by dragging the animation. Click on the OK button. Click on the play button and check the animated video title. Thank you for watching the video.